Hey guys, what's happening? Today we're gonna review the DeepSearch AI app. Is it worth it? DeepSearch AI apps receive mixed reviews. Some find them useful for quick cited summaries like Google's AI or Consensus, while mobile apps under the same name are often called scams or for generic results. Fake progress bars and aggressive paywalls, promising deep people searches but failing on non-public individuals. So whether it's quote unquote worth it depends heavily on the specific app or end user expectation. Right? Let's talk about the positive reviews. Right? Uh, DeepSearch AI praised for using Gemini 2.5 Pro to create comprehensive cited reports from hundreds of sites. Great for in-depth in-depth research. It offers through searches across workspaces or scientific literature, breaking down questions for detailed synthesis. Excellent for researchers. DeepSearch AI valued by developers for advanced reasoning, right? Uh, Coding like DeepSeek Coder and fast, customizable open source capabilities. Notes by Touchpoint Africa, right? But the downside, then the negative experiences that some people had with DeepSearch AI, they say they allege that this is a scam, right? Users frequently label specific apps as scams, citing fake progress bars and cheap interfaces. Apps often fail to find non-public individuals, providing only superficial info or random results, despite claims of deep people searching. Aggressive paywalls. Many users are frustrated by immediate paywalls or trials that quickly demand subscriptions, making the quote-unquote free experience not existent. And the generic output. Instead of real quote-unquote deep insights, some apps just summarize Wikipedia or basic public data, which users can find themselves, cited by Apple users and app users too, right? So is it really worth it? So I'm gonna say this, right? It's me being candid. If you're like using it for general AI research, like Google's AI or Consensus AI, yes, they offer powerful cited research. For mobile people search apps, likely no, especially for the ones heavily advertised as quote unquote deep search AI. They often don't deliver on promises and feel like scams. Um, say Google Play reviewers and Apple App Store reviewers. So use the built-in deep search in Google or reputable platforms like Consensus for research, but be highly skeptical of standalone mobile apps named Deep Search AI. Checking reviews carefully and being wary of aggressive monetization, noted by Google Help users and App Store reviewers. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.